Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where luxury meets the open road, and today is something truly extraordinary. What you're looking at right now is not a fever dream, not a render from some sci-fi film set. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, and I promise you, nothing you've seen before will prepare you for what we're about to break down. We're going full deep dive today, exterior, interior, performance, and yes, that price tag. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start from the outside, because the exterior of this machine is nothing short of jaw-dropping. Lamborghini has taken everything we know about their iconic supercar design language and stretched it, literally, into a full motorhome format. The body is finished in a striking pearl white with gold accent trim lines that trace the aggressive body panels, giving it that unmistakable Lamborghini signature. Up front, you've got those razor-sharp LED headlights flowing from a sculpted hood that dips low and wide, almost like the nose of a Huracan fused with a command vehicle from the future. The aerodynamic front splitter is massive, yet it looks purposeful rather than excessive. Running down the side, the body features deep character lines, angular cutouts, and what appear to be functional air vents, all wrapped in carbon fiber reinforced bodywork. The roofline is a seamless blend of panoramic glass and aerodynamic curves, creating this incredible greenhouse effect that floods the living space with natural light. And the wheels, 6 of them, wrapped in ultra-low profile performance tires on massive matte black multi-spoke alloys that look like they were lifted directly off a Revuelto. The stance is wide, planted, and ferocious. This thing looks like it would bite you if you got too close. Now let's step inside, and honestly, this is where the Lamborghini Motorhome really earns its name. The moment those scissor-style doors swing open, yes, scissor doors on a motorhome, you're greeted by a cabin that is pure Italian opulence. The driver's cockpit feels ripped from a racing simulator, with a full digital instrument cluster, a heads-up display, and a multifunction steering wheel featuring paddle shifters and integrated controls. The driver's seat is a fixed racing bucket design in Alcantara and premium leather, with contrast stitching in the brand's signature yellow. Move past the cockpit and into the living quarters, and the design language shifts into something more intimate but equally breathtaking. The floor-to-ceiling panoramic side windows bathe the interior in light, while the overhead glass panel delivers an unbroken view of the sky. The seating area features low-slung modular sofas upholstered in quilted Italian leather, with embedded ambient lighting beneath each panel. The central console doubles as a dining surface with a retractable table that rises from the floor on a hydraulic mechanism. Materials throughout are top shelf, brushed aluminum trims, real carbon fiber inlays, and suede headlining. The kitchen area, compact but fully equipped, features integrated Lamborghini-branded appliances, a smart cooking surface, and hidden storage compartments accessed via touch-sensitive panels. Every inch of this space screams precision engineering and artistic Italian design. Now for the part that separates the curious from the committed, performance. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is rumored to be powered by a hybrid V12 powertrain derived from the Revuelto platform, producing an estimated 1,000 horsepower combined output. That power is distributed to all 6 wheels through Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive torque vectoring system. We're talking about a motorhome that can allegedly sprint to 100 km per hour in under 5 seconds, numbers that would embarrass most sports cars on the road today. The suspension system is fully adaptive, using active air suspension that can raise the ride height for off-road scenarios or drop it low for highway cruising. Onboard computer systems manage everything from traction control to energy regeneration, and a dedicated driving mode selector, featuring road, sport, Corsa, and a new cruise mode specifically designed for long-distance travel, gives the driver full control over how this beast behaves on any terrain. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring massive carbon ceramic discs with Brembo calipers at every axle. And the sound, even in a hybrid configuration, Lamborghini has worked to preserve that naturally aspirated V12 roar, piping in the exhaust note through an active sound management system. You won't mistake this for anything else on the highway. And now the moment of truth, the price. Now, Lamborghini has not officially confirmed a production version or a retail price, but industry analysts and insider sources are placing the estimated starting figure somewhere between $3.5 million to $5 million US. When you factor in customization packages, and Lamborghini's ad personam division will undoubtedly offer full bespoke options, you could be looking at well over $6 million for a fully spec'd unit. That makes it one of the most expensive road vehicles ever conceived, but then again, you're not buying a motorhome. You're buying a statement. You're buying a piece of rolling art that happens to have a kitchen in it. So is the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome the future of luxury travel? Absolutely. Is it practical for the everyday camper? Absolutely not, and that's the whole point. This is Lamborghini daring the world to dream bigger, to push the definition of what a vehicle can be. Whether it ever reaches full production or remains a visionary concept, one thing is crystal clear: nobody else in the world could have built something like this. This is MH Car Review, and if you want more content on the wildest, most exclusive vehicles on the planet, smash that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay passionate, and never stop driving.